So sometimes when you download an application on Ubuntu, you can't uninstall it. I've got this photo rec here, it don't work. You just go to a blank screen every time. And when I go to uninstall it from the software apps, wherever that is, there, I can't find it in there in the installed section. So to get rid of it, you just go to terminal. You need to know the exact file name though, so you need to go to dpkg and list it. And it's got a lot of them in this one, so 1 to 74. So you just press enter on it, and it's going to go down. You'll go all the way to Q. I've actually already done it though, so I won't bore you with going all the way through it. So I'm just going to close it down and open up a new terminal, and then I'll just put sudo apt-get remove, and then the exact file name. So yes, to continue. Let's go remove it. And when you click back on, it should be gone.